What's up, everybody? You already know who it is. The Coffee King Dash Onlyfans champion coach. No, I'm actually looking. My name is Mark Madam. I've been in the online business for over 10 years, and I've been poking on this Onlyfans niche because it's been changing the way individual models are able to make money in the platform. Let me disclose you, this is going to be the hottest video out right now ever because it's always the hottest video when I drop content. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And these are going to talk about all the ways to make money on OnlyFans. So if you're listening to this, you might as well listen because you don't have to be a model to make money on OnlyFans. I don't model on OnlyFans, although I would. Don't play me. I'll get mine. Shorty, will ya be? I don't judge, but I'll get it. Shorty, will ya? I'm just playing. No, I'm not though. Really though. So ways you can make money on OnlyFans. So basically write this down on a piece of paper. I always tell people, pull out a piece of paper. Why are you watching my video if you ain't taking goddamn notes? I'm over here trying to give you the fucking book. You know what I'm saying? So take notes. Take notes of the book. Okay? Because I got the book here for you. I'm going to give you the book. Okay? So the book is this. Ways to make money on OnlyFans, right? First of all, assistants. Crushing. Assistants. Crushing. Okay? Assistants / managers. Crushing. Okay, let me explain what that means. There's a couple things that a model may not have time for. A lot of models don't want to do this at all. Guy, girl, couple, doesn't matter. Don't want to do this. They don't want to plan their shout out for shout outs in their Telegram groups like they need to do it. If you need to be asking what is a Telegram group and you don't know, join my curls down below, get in the group, already get to know some information. So if you've already been in this situation, you got to know that there's a lot of planning, executing, because it's a business like any other. So these models are coming into this business model and they need assistance. So learn how to help them. I am going to have a full court. Like, people are going to be like, you're fucking. Listen, if you don't plug yourself, no one will. And I truly believe I have the best content out and the best information to make money on this platform. So I always plug myself. For the people out there who's like, dude, he's always saying and plugging himself. You know what real sales are? Real sales are fucking belief in your product and knowing it's the best. So let me explain something to you. That's what I mean by that. You can be an assistant. You can be a manager. You can be a model. You can own an agency. You can do shout out pages. You want me to say those again? All right, write these down, okay? You can be an assistant. You can be a manager. You can be an agency, okay? You can be shout out pages. You can have your own collaborative platform. So if you didn't know, this is a way where you can make money on OnlyFans if you're not a model itself. You can create the platform, do all the marketing, have other chicks that sell their content to you, join you in a farang of content. You just manage all the media. And you pay them out. That's it. And also, what I'm telling you, depending on what country it is in, opportunities are endless. And the reason why I say that is because I have girls from other side of the countries. I have guys from other side of the countries who are making money in America, and it's like triple the amount in their country. How do you think they're making money? So a guy in Colombia, or a guy in I think it was Colombia, another guy in England and a couple other places, they're doing majority of their marketing through my stuff here in America, but they're making American money, which is 3 or 4 times the cost of the people there. And it's like they're getting rich. They're building agencies. They're making money as an assistant. Okay, your assistant does tasks for you. Okay, be an assistant. Get paid doing tasks. You're like, I don't know how to do tasks. Join my course. Okay, join my membership course. I'll show you what the tasks are. Okay, you can't beat my prices because my outsource team is lit, but doesn't mean there's not room for everyone to eat. Don't get it twisted. I'm telling you right now. I only have to say that because if you out here watching, you know my agency popping. Okay, best agency out, Bunny agency. You don't even know us yet because we so hot. And people, listen. If you're like, I don't believe whatever he says, I don't give a shit. Okay, I don't have time for the no. We're in the process. I'm building the #1 agency out for individual models, period. Guaranteed it. I'm going to go through tribbles and tribulations. You're probably going to see me on some sort of random scandal saying I did some shit that ain't true, but I'm out here on You know how much, hey, sorry, I be ranting. I hope that's why you like me. If you don't, screw it. Find somebody else. Doesn't matter to me. I go about my life just like you will. So here's the thing that you guys need to know. Those things that you can do on the platform, you're wondering how you can do it. An assistant needs to take the time doing tasks that the model can't find herself doing, responding to messages, doing shout out for shout outs, looking for platforms, looking for brand deals, bam, 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 getting paid, dude, driving traffic, figure those simple things out. Look around my platform. There's a bunch of ways. It's manpower. You're doing work, but you can work for a model. It's super simple and make money. Manager, secondly. Okay, manage the platforms. It's pretty much the same thing as assistant, but you're able to do a little bit more, maybe make a little bit more. Your expertise is a little bit higher. Okay, from an assistant to a manager, depending on your ability to consume information and give it to them, is up to you. I'm telling you this because I know my shit works. I'm not questioning whether this is going to work for you. I'll question whether you can comprehend it and do it, because the business model is pretty fucking solid as of now. So don't watch this video in a year and be like, oh, fuck, I thought it was solid. Fuck, business dying. But listen, it's the price of an entrepreneur, and I don't give a shit because I go all in. Okay, so those are the ways you can make money on here, man. I'm telling you, I don't want to make this video too long. It's already 5 minutes. I appreciate it if you listen to it this long. You already know you gobble ganger. Die, get on my level, give out more love. I'm trying to provide the best content I possibly can out there, but there's multiple ways to make money on here. I'll be dropping other ways to make money on OnlyFans multiple times, just so you can figure out if there's other ways besides the model. And that I'll be teaching courses on these perspectives. I spend time, energy, and money on it. That's why it's not free, dude. I'm telling you how to do it. You can go search, find the information, get in these Telegrams groups, do the things you need to do, and make it happen. Okay, it's there for you. But just expecting people to do the work for you, I did hella research, hella time, hella money, and I expect the same from other people to invest their time and money and energy. And all you have to do is write copy, get the platforms, get into some groups, shout out for shout out, shout your girls out, grow instantaneously, do paid promotion if you're willing to invest in yourself, do shout out for shout out if you can't afford it. That's how I did it. And now we're making thousands of dollars a month right now. So I appreciate everyone for being in this game. I can't wait to see you on the side. All my links are down below if you have any questions. Comment, like, subscribe, because you already know the fire's content. Let's go.